Mama Africa Spiritual Warriors is a community of like-minded people, people just like yourselves who care about Africa, who want to see things move, develop in our continent, who want to see peace in Africa, who want to see technology, harmony, and basically who wants to see life get better within our continent. We come together every month to meditate and visualize, about the reality that we want to see in our continent. Because now we understand the power of our mind, the power of our thoughts. That's something basically that the enemies of Africa have been using against us. They've been using our energy to help bring about their evil agendas without us understanding what was happening. But now that we understand the power of our mind and how to manifest the reality that we want, we are using that. We are being proactive. We are retaliating basically by using our minds, by using our power to manifest the reality that we want to see happening in our continent. So join us, join the community, because the more we are, the bigger the energy, and the bigger the energy, the faster we will be able to manifest that reality, to manifest peace and harmony in our continent, to manifest change within our continent. So join us. All the information is within the description box. So just click on the link, fill the form, and we shall see you in the next session of Mama Africa's Spiritual Warriors.